Welcome back to the channel, guys. So if you've recently gotten your car unlocked and tuned and you plan on running a flex fuel kit, you're probably wondering, how do you get the proper ratio of ethanol in your car? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I get the proper ethanol content in my G8X that's running a custom bend calibration tune on MHD+. So before you start, there are 3 requirements. The first, obviously your car needs to be unlocked and tuned. I'm personally running a custom tune on MHD+. 2, you're gonna need a flex fuel kit. I'm running the MHD Flex Fuel kit. And number 3, you're gonna need the MHD universal adapter, which you will use to connect to your OBD port, and you're gonna want that to access the monitors to read your ethanol content. All right guys, so for step 1, you're gonna need to read your ethanol content. And for that, you need this MHD universal adapter. You need to connect the universal adapter to your OBD port. All right, so you want to go to settings in your phone and make sure you are connected to the MHD adapter, and then put your car in diagnostic mode. To do this, you click the ignition button 3 times in a row. 1, 2, 3. Just gotta do it real fast. So now you see that the car is in diagnostic mode. So after the car is in diagnostic mode, you're gonna want to open your MHD app. Look towards the bottom middle section where you see monitor. Click that, and you're gonna want to hit data logging. Over here, you'll see a bunch of gauges that you've pre-populated in the past, and one of them, as you can see, is ethanol content CAN percentage. This here tells you exactly how much ethanol your fuel system is currently running. As you can see, I'm running E55. If you don't see this right now, you can hit back, go to parameters, and make sure you have ethanol content CAN selected. So I'll go back to the data logging section. As you can see, I have E55. Keep that in mind right now as you go on to the next step. So step 2 is to check your current fuel level. I do that by going onto the My BMW app, and over here you'll see a fuel level section, and as you can see, mine says 36% or 71 miles left. So keep that 36% in mind because you will be entering that number next. For step 3, you're going to want to use the E85 calculator app. Just go to the App Store and download this app called E85 Cal, and look at the following information that you're going to need to enter. So let me get this app open for you guys right now. The top field that you see is the gas tank size. Google says that the G8X runs like 15.6 or something like that, but from my personal experience, putting the gas tank size to 16.2 is more realistic for my fills. Next option that you're going to see is the pump gas ethanol percentage at pump. Most gas stations run 10% ethanol in their normal gas, so I put 10 down over there. The next section, ethanol percent at pump. This varies from season. My gas station says I'm having E85, but in the winter times, I found that it's closer to E76 about. In the summer, I get around E82, but for now, since I am in the winter, I will put 76 down for that. For target ethanol mix, this all depends on the tune that you're running. So for me, as I said earlier, I'm running a custom bend calibration tune, and my tune is optimized to run the best at E55. So for me, I'm gonna be putting 55 in that section. Current ethanol mix, remember I told you guys to take note of what I was at earlier. I was actually at E55, so that's what I'm gonna put over here. And then the current fuel level percentage, we checked the My BMW app. I was at 36. So I will put down 36. Then you hit done, and you'll see this results section. So it'll tell you exactly how much ethanol to add and how much pump gas 93 octane to add. So for me, it says I'm going to be adding 7.07 gallons of ethanol and 3.29 gallons of 93. So this should give me a result of 55% ethanol. You always want to put in ethanol first. I've just found that it does a better mix, is a better calculation, more accurate. So I'll be putting the ethanol first, and then we're going to be putting the 93. So as I said earlier, you're going to want to fill ethanol first. As you can see, my gas station says that I have E85 in mind. I'm going to go back to the app, and it said I need 7.07 gallons of ethanol. So I'm going to take this out, put this in. Damn, I've never had to record this. So we're gonna try to hit exactly 7.07 gallons. Guys, I love this black line stuff. You see this? Anodized red. It just makes the car look so good. Right now the ethanol is at $2.59 per gallon. All right, so we're getting close to hitting 7.0. Oh, I got it right on the spot. So 7.078 is how much ethanol I put in. So now it's time to go to 93 octane. Guys, what a time. So apparently this mobile just ran out of 93 octane. So I'm gonna have to go across the street and get 93 from BP. But yeah, what can I say? This has never happened before. I'm hoping my mix is right now because I only come to this mobile. But let's see. I'm at BP now, and we're gonna go exactly to 3.29 of 93. So the gas should just fill all the way and stop on its own because I've put the proper amount of ethanol according to the calculations. Sometimes it's a little off, but let's see. All right, guys, so it went a little over to 3.34. Calculations are almost on point. I've put the 93 in. Now I just need to drive the car around for a little bit. I have the monitor on. It's currently adjusting. It says we're at E59 right now, but we just started driving, so let's drive a little bit more and see what we land at. All right, so it looks like we're dropping. We're at E57. I'm just hitting every single red traffic light at this point. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You just got to make sure you have that Flex Fuel kit so you're not guessing or anything. But after you've done it a couple of times and you get the idea of what type of ethanol your gas station is carrying, you'll pretty much hit exactly what you're trying to hit at all times. All right, so I've just dropped down to E56. We're pretty much gonna hit E55 very soon. I still need to drive like another half a mile or so, but I am about to put this camera away right now. I just hate holding this thing while I'm driving. It's just not the most comfortable, but I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Drop me a comment. Any other thing you need to know about the tune. Oh, look, I just hit E55. So yeah, there you go, guys. We hit exactly the ethanol content we were looking for. This is pretty simple. Anyone can do it. Let me know if the video was helpful. If you guys enjoyed it, drop me a comment. Let me know what other type of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys on the next one.